Turn on the lights.
Okay, the sample LED is on.
Turn off the lights.
Okay, the sample LED is off.
Hello. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a standalone HomeKit compatible LED that you can control from your iOS device without the need of HomeBridge or any other hub. This is the things we are going to need. The first thing we have to do is to download and install VirtualBox. Go to virtualbox.org and download the appropriate version for your host system. Also, click the link to download the VirtualBox extension pack. While waiting for VirtualBox to finish downloading, let's download Vagrant. Go to vagrantapp.com, click the download button, and then choose the operating system you are using. In my case, it's Windows 10 64-bit. Now that VirtualBox and Vagrant have finished downloading, first we have to install VirtualBox. Double-click the VirtualBox installation file and complete the installation. As soon as the installation has finished, double-click the VirtualBox extension pack file to install it. When you are done, go ahead and install Vagrant. After installing Vagrant, you will need to reboot your system. Now, it's time to set up the virtual environment to build the tools you will need. This can be done easily by downloading a Vagrant file. I will put a link of the Vagrant file I used in the description below. Create an empty folder anywhere in your hard drive and save the Vagrant file in there. Open Vagrant file with any text editor. Scroll down to the end of file and replace the highlighted text with your Wi-Fi name and password. Save the file and remove any extension from the file name. Now it's time to install our virtual machine and all the software we're going to need to build a HomeKit device. Open Windows Command Prompt, navigate to the folder that you saved the Vagrant file and then type Vagrant app. This command will download and build our virtual machine with all the needed software. This process takes some time. On my machine, it took about 30 minutes to complete. When the installation has finished, your screen should look something like this. Now connect the Node MCU board to your PC and start VirtualBox. Go to Settings, USB, and add your Node MCU board by selecting the correct option. When you are done, close the VirtualBox window and type in the command prompt Vagrant halt. This will power off our virtual machine. We are doing this to initialize the USB device we just added. When the halt command has finished, type again Vagrant app. Don't worry, this time the boot time will be much faster. When the Vagrant command has finished, type Vagrant SSH to get access to the virtual machine. Then type USB devices to check if the Node MCU board has been recognized by your system. If you can see the board in the list, then we are ready to build the HomeKit device. Navigate into the ESP HomeKit demo directory and type the following command. If everything goes well, you should see a screen like this. And that's it. You just built your first HomeKit device. Press Ctrl X to exit the process and close the window. Open the Home app in your iOS device and press the button to add a new accessory. Then select the I don't have a code option and you should see the sample LED. Press it, enter this code, and wait for it to pair. When you're done, you can change the name of the accessory if you want. Press finish and you are ready.